Hi everyone, in this video in grade 6 we have page 12 chapter 1 section 4 using properties of operations. In the properties of operations we have some properties that normally we can use in math, but be careful about the properties of operations with the next lesson that we have in 1.5, which is order of operations. In the properties of operations, we have only one operation. You can see both of them multiply. We have both of them multiply. But in order of operations, we have different operations. Which one you do it at first, which one you do it at second. Order of operations is different with the properties of operations. Properties of operations, we study these two, which is one of them is commutative, one of them is associative property. In the commutative property tells us if you have three numbers multiplied by each other or two, it's possible to change the places. For example, we can say 6 multiply 7 multiplied by 5, or you can say 6 multiply 5 multiply 7. You can change the places whenever it's multiplication or addition. For these two, you can change the places. Which two is easier at first? You can multiply for ourselves. You think this is easier, do that one, then multiply by the other one. If you think these two are easier to multiply, you can change the places. This is called commutative property. We do this one. 6 multiply 5, 30 multiply 7. This way was easier because we have 30, which is at the end we have 0. Whenever we have at the end 0 in multiply, we can put it, multiply the other numbers. 7 multiply 3, 21. If you multiply in this way, 6 multiply 7 and multiply 5, still you will get the same answer. This is commutative property that you can change the places. For the next one, we have associative property. In the associative property, we don't change the places. We just have a bracket. You can multiply these two at first, or you can multiply the other two at first. Which one you think is easier? You can do that one at first. Let's do this side. 9 multiply, because we know 2 multiply 25 is 50. 9 multiply 50. At the end we have a 0. You can put it, and 5 multiply 9. So 9 multiply 25 multiply 2 equals 450. This is commutative. You can change the places. This is associative. Which two is easier? You can do this multiplication at first, then multiply by the other one. And after the properties in the exercise, we have some multiplications of two numbers, 2 digits, 2 digits. In this case, you have to learn how to multiply. This is why just I wrote this one to solve, because you needed to know when it's 2 digits, 2 digits. Always write the greater one in the up, the smaller number in down in multiplication. 2 multiply 5, 10, 0 and 1. 2 multiply 3, 6, another one, 7. Then we will clean this one because we multiplied. Then whenever you go to the second digit, multiply 2 by both of them. Then you come to the 1 multiplied by both of them. Always we put a 0. Then 1 multiply 5, we put a 0, then we start. 1 multiply 5, 5, 1 multiply 3, 3. And always in the end we have plus addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 5, sorry, 12, 2 and 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 420. The result of 12 multiply 35 is 420. This how multiply two numbers, which is both of them 2 digits, 2 digits. And this is about associative property. This is about commutative property, which we have these two properties of operations here to study. That's all about it. Thanks for watching.